Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to English class. In our today's English class, we are going to study poem 6 of literature, poem 6, Sympathy, okay, written by Charles Mackay. This is a poem which describes an incident of poet's life. Okay, in this poem, poet describes incident of his life. He says that yes, money can be paid back, gold can be paid back, but sympathy, oh, heavenly sympathy can't be paid back. Children, when we give someone courage, when we help someone, when we say few kind words to someone, right, and the strength that person will get, the burden which will be lessened cannot be repaid. Okay, जब हम किसी से अच्छे शब्द कहते हैं और किसी को हिम्मत देते हैं, ना ही सिर्फ उसे मॉनिटरी पर उसे काइंड वर्ड्स बोलकर उसके ऊपर सिंपैथी रखकर हम जब उसकी हेल्प करते हैं, तब वो सिंपैथी है वो रीपे नहीं हो सकती है. ओके, तो इसी पोयम में हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे.
Before I start with the explanation part of this poem, let us first know something about the poet. You can see the image of the poet Charles Mackay. Charles Mackay, born in 1814, was a Scottish poet, writer, novelist, songwriter and journalist. Okay, Charles Mackay was a Scottish poet. Scottish means of Scotland, born in Scotland of UK, okay, United Kingdoms. So he was a Scottish poet. He started writing articles for the local newspaper when he was just 16. Okay, when he was just of 16 years, he started writing articles for the local newspaper Telegraph. He wrote many poems, books and songs. ठीक है, उन्होंने बहुत सारी बुक्स, सॉन्ग्स और पोएम्स लिखी है. Extraordinary popular delusions and madness of crowds was very popular and best-selling book of Charles. Cheer Boys Cheer and The Good Times Coming were popular songs written by Charles Mackay. He died at the ripe age of 75 years in 1889. So this poet has contributed towards the literary work. Now let us know about the poem. About the poem. Sympathy. Okay, what is the meaning of sympathy? Sympathy means to show sensitivity, to show that you also understand their pain. Okay, to be kind towards them. Okay, सिंपैथी मीन्स एक संवेदना होना, किसी के प्रति दया भावना रखना. ठीक है, टू बी कंपैशनेट. ओके, टू बी कंपैशनेट अबाउट समवन्स सैडनेस, समवन्स पेन. ओके, तो सिंपैथी इज अ फीलिंग ऑफ कंपैशन. सो हियर सिंपैथी इज अ पोएम written by Charles Mackay. Once the poet was in great trouble. In this poem, the poet describes that once he was in great trouble. He was very sad and he was very stressed. He was having a lot of problems. Okay, he was having lot of problems, and at that time a rich man who was very proud helped him with money. He says a rich proud man helped him with money by giving gold. However, rich man was indifferent to the poet. Rich man did not spoke any word. Okay, he did not show any kind gesture. He just gave the gold. He just gave the money. When the trouble was over, when the pain or the problem of poet was over, the poet paid his money back with thanks. So when the poet recovered, he paid the money back and also said thanks. Once again the poet was in trouble. फिर वापस वो एक बार प्रॉब्लम में थे, एक बार वापस वो ट्रबल में थे. At that time a poor man looked at him day and night. और उस समय पे एक गरीब आदमी, एक गरीब व्यक्ति उनका बहुत ध्यान रख रहे थे। एट दैट टाइम व्हेन ही वॉज इन पेन, बहुत ही दुखी थे और बहुत ही तकलीफ में थे, दर्द था उनको, तब एक गरीब मैन है, गरीब आदमी उनका ध्यान रख रहा था। ही लुक्ड आफ्टर हिम डे एंड नाइट, दिन रात उनकी सेवा की, उसको संभाला, उसकी केयर की। द पोएट फील्स दैट ही वुड बी अनेबल टू पे हिम बैक, उनको खाना भी खिलाया। ही गेव हिम फूड, he spoke kind words and he showed some kind gestures. Then the poet says that he feels that he would not be able to pay him back. Poet feels that he would be unable to pay him back because sympathy is greater than gold. Because sympathy is greater than gold, it is greater than money, it can't be paid back. Okay, so this poor man was having selfless, he did selfless service. Okay, so it can't be paid back. In this poem, the poet gives us the message that sympathy is very important and the feelings, the love, the affection could not be paid back. Children, your parents also love you. Okay, your parents also have taken care, okay, of you even when you were not able to take care of yourself. When you were infant, okay, when you were a small baby, your parents have done lot of sacrifice and they have done a lot of things for you. Okay, while your upbringing, they have faced many challenges and they have sacrificed a lot for you, they have taken care, right? So you can't repay that thing. Yes, you can also take care of your parents because it is your duty, but for many things you can't repay, right? So in this poem also the poet makes us sensitive, he wants us to be sensitized. Okay, तो चलो इस पोएम को अभी हम डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं. लेट्स रीड ईच एंड every stanza of this poem and understand the meaning of each stanza. This is a beautiful poem written by Charles Mackay. The poet describes the beautiful feeling, the pure feeling of sympathy. Sympathy means the feeling of compassion. किसी के प्रति दया भावना, किसी के प्रति संवेदना. Okay, so this feeling is explained very beautifully. In the first stanza, the poet writes, I lay in sorrow, deep distressed. I was in very bad situation. I was feeling very sad. I was stressed out. Okay. I lay in sorrow and deep distressed. My grief a proud man heard. A proud man heard my sad story. He saw my bad situation. That man was very rich. Okay, that proud man was very rich. A proud man heard my sad story. His looks were cold, he gave me gold. His looks were cold, he was not having any expression. Okay, he was not having the feeling of compassion, feeling of sympathy. He was very cold, okay, unaffected. He gave me gold. He gave me a piece of gold. But not a kindly word. He didn't say any kind words to me. कुछ kind words उसने use नहीं किए, कुछ अच्छा बोला नहीं, मुझे courage नहीं दिया. Okay, he didn't spoke any kindly words, but he gave me gold. इसका मतलब है जब मैं दुखी था, मेरी बहुत खराब परिस्थिति थी, तब एक प्राउड मैन, एक अहंकारी जो आदमी है, वो रिच भी था, उसने मेरी सिचुएशन देखी और मुझसे कुछ अच्छे शब्द, कुछ दो मीठे शब्द मुझसे बोले नहीं और मुझे सिर्फ एक गोल्ड का पीस दे दिया. ओके, माई सॉरो पास्ट, आई पेड हिम बैक. मेरी दुख की परिस्थिति, मेरी खराब परिस्थिति से जब मैं बाहर आया, निकल कर बाहर आया, आई पेड हिम बैक, तब मैंने उसे वापस लौटा दिया, गोल्ड मैंने उसे वापस लौटा दिया. माई सोरो पास्ट, वेन माई सोरो पास्ट आई पेड हिम बैक द गोल्ड ही गेव टू मी. उसने जो मुझे दिया था गोल्ड, वो मैंने उन्हें रिटर्न कर दिया. देन स्टूड इरेक्ट एंड स्पोक माई थैंक्स. सीधा, आई स्टूड स्ट्रेट, मैं सीधे खड़े रहा, स्ट्रेट रहा, और मैंने मैं थैंकफुल हूँ वो मैंने उसे एक्सप्रेस किया, दैट आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल, थैंक यू फॉर योर हेल्प. ओके, देन स्टूड इरेक्ट एंड स्पोक माई थैंक्स एंड ब्लेस्ड हिज चैरिटी. I blessed him for his donation, for his charity. मैंने उसे थैंक यू कहा कि आपने मेरी हेल्प की, इसलिए थैंक यू. In the third stanza, I lay in want and grief and pain. जब मेरी खराब परिस्थिति थी तो मुझे कुछ और भी ज़रूरी चाहिए था. ठीक है, बेसिक जो नेसेसिटी होती है वो भी मुझे चाहिए था. I laid in want and grief and pain. ओके, उस परिस्थिति में, जब मेरी दुखी, मेरी खराब परिस्थिति थी, उस परिस्थिति में a poor man passed my way. A poor man also saw that I was in a bad condition. Okay, a poor man saw that I was in a bad condition. I was very sad. That man was poor, but his heart was very big. Okay, a poor man bound my head and gave me bread. That poor man gave me bread. He gave something to eat. Okay, that is the basic necessity, right? That poor man saw my condition. He gave me courage. He spoke kind words to me. He gave me bread. He watched me night and day. Okay. He saw me. He spoke kind words to me. उन्होंने मुझे हौसला दिया, courage. Okay. He gave me hopes. He gave me bread. And he looked after me. He took care of me. उन्होंने मुझे, मेरी दिन रात मुझे देखा और मेरी हेल्प की. ही बहुत अच्छे शब्दों से मुझे हौसला दिया. He spoke kind words to me. Fourth stanza, how shall I pay him back again? I paid the man who gave me gold, but how do I pay this poor man? जिनका हार्ट इतना बड़ा है, जिनके पास खुद पुअर है, तो फिर वो हमें क्या दे सकते हैं? बेस्ट वो हमारा ध्यान रख सकते हैं, हमें कुछ अच्छे वर्ड्स बोल सकते हैं, हमें खाने को भी उसने मुझे ब्रेड दिया. सो हाउ कैन आई पे हिम बैक? पोएट सेज आई कांट पे हिम बैक for all that he did to me. Okay, how shall I pay him back again for all he did to me? I can't pay, poet is saying. Oh, gold is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy. Yes, gold is great, but more than gold, the feeling of sympathy, right? He had a sympathy for me. He had a feeling of sympathy for me. So I can't pay back. Okay, feelings can't be paid. Feelings are priceless. Gold can be paid. I can give him back. I gave him back, in fact, but the feelings can't be paid. Okay, the sympathy he showed towards me, the courage he gave me, the kind words he said to me can't be paid. So children, in this poem, the poet very beautifully explains the importance of feelings, the importance of the way you treat others, right? So always we should show sympathy towards others. Okay, the feelings can't be paid. They are priceless.
Okay children, I hope you understood this poem. You So sympathy is even greater than gold, right? It is heavenly feeling. It is the feeling in which the person does not have any selfish motive, in which the person is not being selfish, right? It is something that is heavenly, okay? That is similar to God's grace, we can say. So we can always show sympathy towards the needy, towards the poor, towards the children, towards the young, towards the adult, towards the old, okay? We have to show sympathy on everyone, okay? Okay children, bye.